Artificial intelligence is starting to replace entry-level jobs first, not executives, not managers, the people at the bottom. And that changes everything. Because entry-level jobs are supposed to be the starting point. The way people get experience, learn skills, and move up. But now, something new is happening. AI is becoming good enough to do the kind of work that beginners usually do. Tasks that are repetitive. Tasks that follow clear steps. Tasks that happen on a computer. And that is exactly where AI is getting stronger. Right now, companies are testing systems that can handle things like data entry, customer support, scheduling, and basic analysis. These are the same tasks that many entry-level employees are hired to do. And the reason this is happening first is simple. Entry-level work is structured. It follows rules. It does not require years of experience. And that makes it easier for AI to learn. If a task can be broken down into steps, AI can start doing it. And once it starts doing it, companies begin to notice. Because AI does not get tired, it does not make small mistakes from boredom. And it can work much faster than a human. And once it can do that, it starts to overlap with real jobs, especially entry-level ones. They just use AI to help, to assist, to speed things up. But over time, something changes. The AI starts doing more of the work. Then most of the work. And eventually, the human role becomes smaller. And in some cases, unnecessary. This does not happen overnight, but it happens step by step. And right now, we are at the beginning of that shift. A lot of people still think AI is limited, that it can only answer questions or generate text. But that is no longer true. AI is starting to take action. It can interact with software, click buttons, fill out forms, send emails, and complete real workflows, because their roles are built around tasks that AI can learn quickly. Now imagine an AI system that can respond to those emails instantly. At first, the company might use it as support, but if the system becomes reliable enough, they might need fewer people. Instead of 10 employees, maybe they need 5, then 3, then 1 person managing the system. This is how the shift happens. Not all at once, but gradually. And this is already starting to happen in some areas. Customer support is one of the first. Data entry is another. Basic research tasks, scheduling, even simple coding tasks. And right now, that new path is not clear. If entry-level jobs shrink, it becomes harder for people to enter the workforce. And that creates a new kind of problem. Because if you cannot get experience, you cannot move up. And if you cannot move up, the entire system changes. This is why some experts are starting to worry, not just about job loss, but about access. Access to opportunities, access to career growth, access to experience. Because if AI takes over the starting point, people need a new way in. And if that foundation changes, everything built on top of it starts to shift too. So the real question becomes, if AI is taking the first step into the workforce, what comes next? They will work alongside it. They will focus on skills that AI cannot easily replace. Things like creativity, strategy, communication. But not everyone will make that transition at the same speed. And that is where the gap begins. Because technology does not wait. It moves forward. And the people who adapt benefit, while others fall behind.